So what is my expectations or knowledge before I entered King's College of Isulan? Well, at first, I thought that the school is very strict. It is very religious, so I thought you can't enjoy things that you've experienced or that you've enjoyed before at the public schools. The things that I already knew up to this moment is that the King's is not that strict. It's very enjoyable. It's very fun to be at King's College of Isulan, especially the activities that we're doing every month. At nagbago lamang yun nung ako na mismo ang nakaranas sa sarili ko ng mga experiences na masasaya, unforgettable moments na naganap sa akin dito sa King's College of Isulan. At yung mga happenings or moments na yon, yun yung mga hindi ko makakalimutan, especially yung mga activities kagaya ng career guidance, prom, Madinaogon Festival, Matsay Day, outreach program, Lakeview Camp, Family Day, and Spiritual Emphasis Week, and many more. At sa mga activities na yon, alam kong may mga tao kong mamimiss sa paggawa ng memorable experiences na yon, kagaya ni at ng iba ko pang mga kaklase na mas naging ka-close ko pa dahil sa mga activities na yon. At syempre, mamimiss ko din yung mga faculty and staff ng King's College of Isulan dahil sa pagiging mabait nila. Of course, there's a lot of subjects that I'm sure na mamimiss ko, kagaya ng NCHEP, physical science, PERDEV, the contemporary arts, the DRRR, the Bible, and other subjects that I can't mention. And the places that I know that I will surely miss is the classroom, kasi doon nagaganap yung pagkaklase, yung kulitan, yung tawanan, and also the canteen, kasi doon kami tumatambay palagi ng mga ABM classmates ko, and doon rin tumatambay kasi maraming mga pagkain. And also the library, kasi doon kami tumatambay palagi tuwing walang klase or walang teacher na pumapasok sa amin, and doon din kami gumagawa ng ibang homeworks na hindi namin nagagawa sa bahay. The experiences that I will not forget is when I joined the Lakeview Camp. Kasi doon, mas naging closer ako kay God, and madami akong mga taong nakakasalamuha. Hindi lamang yung mga students from KCI, but also those religious pastors. And then, naging masaya din yung memories ko doon kasi maraming mga naganap na activities na alam kong hindi ko makakalimutan. My encouragement to others is to enroll at King's College of Isulan when you have the chance. Kay there is a school nga you can grow close to God and can build relationship with them, and also you can experience things nga balaan ko may school nga hindi mo na ma-experiensyahan. The life lessons that I've learned while I'm here at King's College of Isulan is always trust God's plans. Kasi alam kong lahat ng nangyayari sa atin ay may rason. At yun ay parte ng plano ng Diyos. And I promise to build a stronger relationship with God and to manage my time more effectively, especially na magka-college na ako. Mas maraming mga mabibigat na responsibilities ang pwede kong maranasan sa college. And my life verse is Romans 8:18. I consider that our present sufferings are not worth comparing with the glory that will be revealed in us. And that is my testimonies at King's College of Isulan. I am Ina Sophia H. Gatanela, and I will be graduating this year 2024-2025.
Slipping through my fingers all the time, I try to capture every minute, the feeling in it, slipping through my fingers all the time.